Yeah, so NASA back in around 2010, 2011, they decided to basically do the international space station back and forth जो travel है उसके लिए they decided to outsource it to private companies instead of them being in that business. तो उस टाइम पे उन्होंने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिए थे. And again, this has proven like a genius thing that they at that time awarded contract to two companies instead of one. um, Boeing को contract मिला था कोई $4 odd million का 4.5 or something, and SpaceX got like 2.5 billion dollars, sorry, contract. um, and they were supposed to develop uh, like a capsule that could be used to take humans back and forth to the international space station, and to other actually space missions as well.